Make Kid Perfect. Today, I was thinking we need some sort of mascot. We have a wolf back here that's good for the job, so we're gonna try to capture her.
We're gonna try to set up traps to capture her.
We know the wolf is lurking around here somewhere, so we're gonna try to set up a trap. There'll be a wall right here. We're gonna go through this path, go around, and we're also gonna put a wall right here so that she can't get out. Let's try this.
The materials we need are a wheelbarrow, a soccer goal, another soccer goal, and a ladder. We set up the traps. Now I just need to wait for the wolf.
There's the wolf. Oh, he's coming. We got these secret treats. We're gonna try to lure the wolf in to the fort with these. Brown is gonna pop out and lock her in. Let's do it. Hey, wolf. Treat. Yes, we got her! We got her! Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna have to improve on this.
Since the last idea didn't work,
We're gonna try the old classic chase.